Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to generate videos. First, open Canva and select Video from the main menu. You can choose from various video formats like mobile video, Facebook video, or YouTube video, or start with a blank canvas. This initial step sets up your project, allowing you to immediately dive into the intuitive video editor. It's designed for ease of use, even if you're new to video editing. Once your project is open, it's time to add content. You can easily upload your own photos and video clips, or explore Canva's vast library of stock videos, images, and audio tracks. Simply drag and drop these elements onto your timeline. Customize text, graphics, and even add engaging animations and transitions between scenes to make your video dynamic and visually appealing. Audio is crucial for a compelling video. Canva offers a rich audio library with thousands of tracks, or you can upload your own music or voiceovers. Easily adjust the volume and trim audio to perfectly synchronize with your visuals. Don't forget to explore the array of video effects and filters available to give your video a professional and polished look, adding significant impact to your message. After perfecting your video, it's time to share your creation with the world. Always preview your video thoroughly to catch any last-minute adjustments. When you're ready, download your video in high-quality MP4 format, typically at 1080 pixels. Canva also allows you to directly share your video to popular social media platforms or generate a shareable link, making distribution incredibly simple and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.